her
She's
mouth.
talking
She's
from
not
the
even
baby.
finishing it.
She's eating the fruit,
She
yeah.
likes fruits and veggies over
Really?
any
That's
sweet
good,
ice
dude.
and everything.
No blueberries. Okay, more strawberries.
You kill all the fruits. That's for everybody. That's 10 people's slices and they're one fruit each.
Dad.
Okay, next one.
All done.
One bite, all done.
You don't like that one? It's yummy?
What is that? I think it's a...
It goes back on the cake. There goes that nice, beautiful cake. Jeez.
Gone.
You can't do that to the cake.
No,
silly.
Mom's gonna take it and eat it
Do
anyways.
that.
Yep.
Yeah, Mom.
Don't put your
Mom.
fingers in there. That's Mommy's cake for her birthday. You can't do that.
Oh, no, eat this.
It's not yours.
Jeez.
What are you doing?
Strawberries.
Just gonna let it ruin the cake. Huh?
Okay, no more, baby. Well
She's
done.
gonna start scooping it.
Mama.
Mom, if it has a bite, it's Alana. If your fruit has bite in it. Nope.
Just like the chicken that I jerked